Hi there, students. A volley. A volley. I guess as a verb as well, to volley. I think it's more common as a noun. Let's see. A volley is where a number of guns are fired all at the same time. You know, in these films where the enemy is advancing towards you and the officer says, wait until you see the whites of their eyes, wait, ready, aim, fire, and everybody fires at the same time. That is a volley of fire. Or for example, I'm thinking of these old galleons with the cannons. A volley of cannon fire. All of the cannons fire together. A cannonade. So a volley is various firearms being discharged, being fired all at the same time. They fired a volley of shots into the air. Now, in sports, we also use this word, a volley, or to volley. A volley is before the ball hits the ground. So in tennis, the ball is allowed to bounce on your side before you hit it. But you could play a volley and hit the ball before it bounces. That is a volley. Volleyball. I'm sure you all know the game volleyball. Well, in volleyball, the ball is not allowed to touch the ground. And that's the point. It's one volley and another. You could have a half volley. In tennis, a half volley is after something has bounced once. Half volley is one bounce. Okay, and this is the idea of volley. Now we could also use this word volley to say a large number of things all at the same time, metaphorically. So I received a volley of insults from the students. There were a volley of complaints about the Prime Minister. There was a volley of donations all at the same time. I think every time Mr. Trump goes to court, there's a new volley of donations. Okay, so a volley in this case is a large number of things happening all at the same time. A burst of something, a volley of words. Maybe there have been a volley of television programs about this subject. Okay, a volley of prosecution cases against the ex-Prime Minister. A volley of scandals, one after another, various at the same time. Okay, so a volley, in mass, a volley of insults, a volley of swear words. Yeah, he hit his thumb, and that was followed by a volley of swearing. Okay, so a volley is where everybody fires all at the same time. I guess you could have a volley of missiles, yeah? Bullets or projectiles all at the same time. A volley of remarks, a group of remarks. A volley of swearing, a volley of laughter. A volley action all directed at the same person. And then in sports, before the ball bounces, yeah, a kick or a strike before the ball bounces, a half volley after it's bounced once. He kicked the ball on the volley just as it touched the ground. Okay, so a volley of musket fire, a volley of insults. A volley of hailstones, a volley of hailstones came out of the sky. A volley of machine gun fire. A volley of criticism. Okay, a backhand volley in tennis, a good shot. Okay, so a volley. A barrage, a cannonade, where all of the bullets or arrows are discharged at once, or a series of things one after another, a volley of angry questions. And then in sports, to hit the ball before it touches the ground. So, volley, formality. 5.5 in formality, use absolutely anywhere. And then as to origin, it comes from Middle French voler, talking about flight, from Vulgar Latin volta, from late Latin volatus. Volatus, and I think this is talking about turning, or volare, to fly. So enough, yeah, volare, to fly. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. A volley.